are at the booth of Invendis, and I have with me Mr. Shreesha Nataraj, who is the Vice President at Invendis. Let me begin by asking you, could you tell us about the journey of Invendis? Could you also highlight what are the foundations of your company in India?
Invendis is 18 years in operation right now. We are more focused on providing high quality, high reliable electronic solutions to our customers. We're basically working on the model of being an ODM. Of course, we also have been a very strong player in telecom tower passive infrastructure monitoring for a very long time. And in the last 3 to 4 years, we have entered the space of making routers and gateways. We also have models which are specifically focused on Indian market. The advantage that we have is because we have an in-house design team of over 100 plus R&D engineers, and we design everything ourselves and we manufacture everything in Bangalore, based out of Bangalore. We are in a position to provide complete local content certificate, Make in India. We comply to CE, 𝗚𝗚𝗏𝗏, MTCTE, all of these different compliances that are required for Indian manufacturers, and our post-sales support. In terms of if you need any certain specific feature upgrade and support for a long term on a particular product, we are always there, right? So we bring in that value-added service to our end customers. So this is what we've been doing for our customers who are deploying it in different applications like banking, retail, and all of these places. We provide high quality, high reliable electronics to our end customers.
Could you also tell us about IP protection? How is it shaping up in India when it comes to product like yours?
So there are many customers that we have seen in the recent past, especially in the last 1 or 2 years, who are focused on IP protection. So because we are based out of Bangalore and we have an in-house complete R&D team, customers can be rest assured that we are not buying anything from outside of India, and that way the IP is getting retained within India, and at any point in time there's any support that people require, we are always there to provide that.
Okay. How are AI and industrial IoT changing the way factories monitor and improve operations these days?
AI and ML are definitely having an impact on how things are changing. So basically they are being used by our end customers to improve efficiency and avoid breakdowns and the losses that the factories incur due to the breakdowns and everything. So definitely it is going to reshape the way factories are being operated. It will definitely have an impact on the performance and efficiency of the factories.
What they have to say about one customer success story, if they have anything to achieve by you over the last so many years?
One of my customers is using one of our product where they are monitoring the health of motors and pumps, and are able to do a predictive maintenance. They're able to, by measuring the different parameters that they're collecting through sensors which are connected to my gateway, they're able to say specifically what part may be going bad or what part may require maintenance very soon. If it is not done, then that particular pump or motor can go down, which will result in a breakdown and production loss, right? So they're able to do that predictive maintenance using one of our products, and we've deployed close to 1,000 plus locations with this particular customer, which is having a great impact on the end customer of theirs.
Would you like to touch upon high performance computing and how is the industry embracing high performance computing?
High performance computing, today if you look at the scenario of Indian market, I think vision is one area where people are adopting high performance computing to a great extent. Data analytics is another area where they are adopting. Of course, the way people would use AI and improvise them is still to be seen. It is a very nascent stage, but these are two areas which I personally see where it is getting adopted very quickly.
If I have to ask you which industries are the most promising industries in the coming 2 to 3 years, which would be those industries according to you?
I think it is going to be data centers for sure, where people would be more focused on, and personal computing, industrial computers. Retail space is going to adopt AI and vision in a large way, which would benefit them. These are the areas which I see.
You have participated in Industrial Automation Fair in the past, or is this your first time?
This we've been doing for the last 4 years. This is our 4th consecutive year in the industry.
What kind of expectations you have from the customers who are visiting at your booth? Which industries they represent, and how are the overall footfalls according to you over the last 3 days?
Footfall has been great. This year also we met some new customers who are very promising ones. mostly on automation space. This year we have also, because we have showcased our Intel-based motherboards and products for the very first time at Industrial Automation, we've seen a great interest in people. So there are people who've been buying these Intel-based motherboards and single-board computers from outside of India, mostly getting imported. People are also a little surprised this time that there's a company in Bangalore who's been building this. So they've shown a lot of interest, great interest. I think this has been a great expo for us.